What's up, guys? We're back with another YouTube video, and today it's time for the tornado thingy. So I already got my tornado. You gotta get your tornado from earlier. I got my tornado. I've changed the color for it. So if you don't know how to make a tornado, go to the last video. This video is for the people that already did it and they want where it makes you fly. So you get a trigger volume. You get a trigger volume about the size of your tornado. So mine's like, I guess, just make it the size of your tornado. Don't make it too skinny, or it's not gonna work. Or, well, it will, but won't do it fully. And then configure the trigger volume circuit board, detach it, and then let's put it over here. So what you want to do is get an event receiver. And then get configure the event receiver. Make it update 30 Hertz. And then get a velocity set. And then get a here, wait, move this to the side, like pretty far away. But then what you want to do is put that up there. And then no, something else. But you want to get a vector component. But I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. To make it like slanted like that. Actually, like that. And then connect this to the velocity there. Connect the target. Oh wait, you can't connect that yet. I'm not done. Then you connect this to there. Then what you want to get is a 2-string. A 2-string. Oh wait, just search up string. And then get a string length. Put that under here. Get a substring. And then get a subtract. And then get a get player by display name. Connected to there. And then connect the length to the subtract difference. Connect the top, not the bottom, the top value to the length, string length. Collect the string to the 2-string. And then make the index of the substring 1. Make the subtract 2. Connect this. Then I'm not in, so no one's in it right now. So when I get in it, it's gonna say my name, but at the same time, like if I'm in it, then it says my name. But if I exit it, then it goes invalid. And that's the problem, because people connected to there, and when they exit it, it still goes up. So that's kind of dumb. And then you connect that to there, and then that's literally all you gotta do. Make that, yeah. And then you literally just go up. So playing it like this, you go up. And if you want to make it more realistic, oh wait, you're not done yet. Never mind. Get a rotator. Get a rotator. Point it there. And move it like far away, because it will be like where it circles around. So you go this way, that way, that way, that way. So it's like a tornado. And then connect it to that. Play it. Wait, no. You gotta play speed. So configure the speed of it. Make it like 500. That should be good. Maybe a little more speed. Give it like 1,500. And then play. Then it actually like swings you every direction. And if you're doing a tiny tornado like me, then make the multiplier tinier. Like 1. There we go. Actually, if you're doing a big tornado, do like 2 or 1. Depends. Like what EF you're doing. But yeah, this is how you do it. And if it's doing this, like when you get to the top, you see how it bounces you? Then you can just exit. That's not good, right? So what you want to do is get a, what do you call it? Maybe next video, by the way. Maybe next video I'll teach you how to move it, where it moves around and stuff, you know. I haven't even done that yet with my game, but I'm gonna show y'all first, because I'm doing tiny tornado. It's easier. Mine's really giant, but then you get a not collision type, invisible collision. Then put it around like the tornado axis, because you're not gonna be able to even reach the top of the sky. And then you want to get the other side. Then once you get up, you can't get out. Look, I can't even move. I'm literally moving. You can't get out. And if it's a big tornado, you can get out, but oh no, you can't get out. But if it's like a tornado like this, you're never gonna get out. Only if you glitch walk out. Big tornado, you cannot get out at all. If y'all want me to, y'all better subscribe for a big tornado, because I literally, like, doing a big tornado is pretty hard. But yeah, it covers a good amount. So this is the circuits for it, just in case y'all didn't get it. Yeah, just pause the video. Well, y'all welcome, because now I'm gonna go work on my tornado game, then maybe do some other stuff, but see y'all on the next video. Bye. Oh, wait, by the way, please like and subscribe for more content, because I really like doing content, but I can't do it without subs, so please just subscribe. Thank you for watching.